Hey everyone, and a massive welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into one of the most powerful and sought-after tools in the Android rooting community, LSPosed. Specifically, we're going to explore the complete process of installing LSPosed on any rooted Android 16 phone. And for those of you already enjoying its benefits, we'll cover how to effortlessly update to the latest version that now boasts full official support for Android 16. For the uninitiated, let's quickly clarify what LSPosed is and why it's such a game changer. Think of LSPosed as the modern, more robust evolution of the classic LSPosed framework. At its core, LSPosed allows you to apply system-wide modifications and tweaks to your Android device and individual applications without actually altering the original system files. This is achieved through modules, which are essentially small applications that can hook into processes and modify their behavior on the fly. Your Android 16 device must be rooted. The most common and reliable methods for rooting involve using powerful tools like Magisk or KernelSU. These root solutions provide the necessary environment, specifically through their Zygisk or Zygisk Next implementations, which LSPosed leverages to inject its code into running processes. But here's where the excitement truly builds. The dedicated developers behind LSPosed have been diligently working, and they've recently pushed out a fantastic new version that offers complete, native, and optimized support for Android 16. This isn't just a minor patch. It's a significant leap forward, ensuring even better stability, deeper compatibility with Android 16's underlying changes and new APIs, and access to the very latest features and bug fixes that are specifically tailored for this advanced Android iteration. If you're a first-time LSPosed installer on Android 16, the process will involve downloading the latest LSPosed module in .zip format. You'll then navigate to your chosen root manager, whether that's Magisk or KernelSU, and flash this module just as you would any other Magisk or KernelSU module. However, for those of you who, like me, already have an older version of LSPosed currently installed, you're in for a treat. You don't need to go through the entire reflashing process with Magisk or KernelSU. One of the most convenient features of the LSPosed ecosystem is its ability to handle updates seamlessly from within the LSPosed Manager application itself. In the upcoming sections of this video, we're going to break down the entire process into easy-to-follow steps. First, for our new users, I'll guide you through a fresh installation of LSPosed on Android 16 using a common root manager like Magisk. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you found this detailed introduction helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more in-depth Android tutorials and reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and let's get customizing.